The coronavirus has upended our lives over the last 2 years, but doctors say there is no end to the virus in sight. KENS 5 reporter Jeremy Baker has tonight's Wear the Gown.
We've heard about BA1 and BA2, which are both Omicron subvariants. There was a BA3, but it never circulated in large numbers. But now there's BA4 and BA5, which are exploding in numbers already in South Africa, where the original Omicron subvariants came from, and that does have medical professionals concerned.
They are concerned, though, that they are seeing increasing numbers, and it looks like they may be a little bit more transmissible than the BA2 that we're currently dealing with.
But the pop-up of these variants may not be all bad news.
They're subvariants of Omicron, so they're still closely related. So there may be some changes, but they're not going to be the drastic changes that we saw with Omicron and Delta.
South Africa's National Institute for Communicable Diseases reported nearly 4,000 new infections this past Sunday alone. Of those who were tested for COVID, 22% received positive results. The World Health Organization recommends levels of 5% or below for communities looking to reopen after COVID's first wave. So who is most vulnerable to get severely ill from these two new variants?
But the concern was that people with natural immunity didn't seem to have as much neutralizing antibody as people that were vaccinated. It looked like people that were vaccinated, that immunity seems to provide a little bit better protection against this BA4 and BA5 than just natural infection alone.
Dr. Bowling urges anyone who isn't vaccinated to get the shot right away. They are still free, as are the boosters if you are eligible for them at this time. Jeremy Baker, KENS 5.
To find more of our Wear the Gown stories, just go to wearthegown.com.